Did anyone learn the digits of pi in grade school? 3.14159,265. That's some pretty cool information, but not very useful. Oh, do you know this one? CTC, GA, GA, GTA? Anyone know that one? No? Well, that's some not so cool information that could kill millions of people. But we'll circle back to that later. Hello, everyone. I'm Kevin Hernandez-Lichtel. I'm a mechanical engineering student and a young scientist. I wanted to teach you all about something really nerdy today, but instead I'm going to present something more practical and increasingly relevant. Information hazards, or infohazards. They are risks that arise from the spread or potential spread of true information that may cause harm or enable some agent to cause harm. A topic that is increasingly important in our rapidly growing digital age. My goal today is simple: to make you think about information, to make you aware of info hazards, and to scare you just a little bit. Information is powerful. In North Korea, the government maintains control of its citizens by crafting and filtering their information. It's inhumane. Now, I want you to take a glance at your phone. This small device gives you access to more information than all other humans in history, but we mainly use it to watch TikTok. Here in the US, we have our First Amendment right to freedom of speech, and with that, we have unfiltered access to near infinite information. But is more always better? Dr. Nick Bostrom begs to differ. He's a philosopher who graduated from the University of Oxford and first defined the term info hazard. He states that too little information is harmful, but too much should be an open question. In Dr. Bostrom's publishing, he organizes info hazards into different categories. Information hazards can be physical, such as how to build a bomb, or conceptual, like radical ideologies. He defines psychological hazards, like the distress when someone spoils the movie you haven't seen yet, or the knowing too much hazard, having critical information that can make you a target. That's why we have witness protection. There's so much I want to talk about, but we're going to dive deeper into the information hazards that you need to be aware of for the coming future. CTC, GA, GA, GTA, and so on. Does anyone have a theory? Those are the first 10 building blocks of DNA of the full 19,000 and publicly available genome of smallpox. The smallpox disease that is estimated to have killed 500 million people just from the 1900s. That's the entire population of North America. It took me 30 seconds to find that entire genome. I urge you to look it up for yourselves. And while you're at it, look up the Spanish flu. In that paper, there are detailed instructions on how the scientists recreated the virus. But why does this matter? From Dr. Bostrom again, developmental hazards. Progress in some field of knowledge can lead to enhanced technological capabilities, which can produce negative consequences. Technological barriers are being lowered every day. Supercomputers used to be entire rooms. Now they fit in your hand. I can run engineering simulations on my computer and get data in minutes, which would have taken years for a team of veteran scientists just a half a century ago. I let an AI attempt to write this speech, but it wasn't very good, but I could have given it to a fifth grader. They could have gotten an A. 5 years ago, we couldn't do that. Imagine what's around the corner in the coming decades. The smallpox blueprint means nothing today. We don't have the tools. But what about 20 years from now, when you can easily buy the same tools the scientists used to create the Spanish flu? Unfortunately, malicious actors will have easier and easier access to life-changing technologies. Information is powerful. We as individuals and as society need to be responsible. Information hazards are everywhere, but their effects and consequences are only growing stronger with the unstoppable march of technological progression. The very information that could solve our energy needs and cure cancer in the wrong hands could delete a major city off the planet and bring about a synthetic pandemic that makes a joke out of COVID. Information is powerful. So how will we shape our future? Thank you.